All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome back on a brand new week here on tax day. Everyone ready to do their taxes? You know what? I think it's August of 300 points on tax day. I can't remember the last time that ever happened, but listen, we get a couple of nice little moves so far. This ONVO is moving up pretty nicely right now. We'll check out some level fours on it. We got some other stocks that are moving like LGVN and SUBC and a couple of got a stock split today. You got the KOL LD, and Boyle's not obviously liking it too much. Anyway, so we had a little excitement over the weekend. We had Iran attack Israel, and we thought that was going to affect the market a little bit. A lot of people probably predicting unless they retaliate, depending on that might affect oil. If that happens, you might see some things happen in the oil market. But as of right now, no tensions have been flared. Other than that, there was that attack that was been done. Nobody got hurt. But we'll see how that will affect certain stocks if we do see it. But as of right now, like I said, there's nothing really going on that much. But last week was a really, really, really good week. Now, I did post a couple of new videos on YouTube. I talked about gold and silver. Those stocks did really, really well on the long-term trade. Listen, the same thing happens with the metals is what happened with certain industries that we've traded. When you break all-time highs, just like NVIDIA, a lot of you should probably have learned that. We have the stock take off like that, and that's, and that affects other stocks. So I'm still going to keep an eye on the metals. We'll bring them up really quick and show you what you had going on. So anyway, GLD, the main ETF right there. Basically in February, the stock was at 180, shot up already to 220. You had Nugget that's doing well. You had RGX that's doing pretty well. Posh is doing well. Look at all these long-term charts. I mean, on the right, these are the ones you want to look at. You had silver that did well. You had GLMD that did well. GLD. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So you don't have to always trade gold itself or buy the silver coins. You could also trade the ETFs. So it looks like everybody's starting to jump on the bandwagons. I'm watching the financial stations. I keep seeing people on and on and on talking about it. So that's a pretty good sign. But anyway, there's a couple other stocks that did really well too last week. And before we go through it, I want to just do a quick little announcement for everyone that is here, that joined us. I know we have a lot of new members that joined us from last week. We get over 100 new members a week that come and join us. And, we always just kind of tell you, if you're here in Cyber Trading University, you're in the trading room, please just watch. Make sure you talk to education advisor. Don't buy anything. If you have any questions, you can always message us in the trading room. And also, if you're watching on social media, we always say, right, grab your phone, top left-hand corner, or you got the link up there on your screen. You could always come and join us whenever you feel you want to come join the professional room. But we're live here, broadcast on social media every day, 9 a.m. to 2:30. All right, so getting back to what happened last week. So who wasn't here last week and missed some of the good moves? Revvion was a great little short right there. We broke that big support level at $10. We had about a 700,000 share buyer out there. That order got filled. Once that happened, look where we're at right now. It not only has been a good day trade, it was a great swing trade. We also had a couple of other stocks. Thursday, we had ADIL. That one did really, really nice little push there. These are stocks that just kind of moved over the course of the week. That did really well. This one also, PARA did really, really nicely. That one ran from like 10 to like 14. Not the biggest of movers, but Apple's been really strong. Apple made a really, really comeback. You could see it has been not only a big, good day trade, but it's been a good swing trade. It's good long-term trade. Has this big support levels around 166. There's that really big one that was hovering right around 170, but that one also did well. So what else did we have over there? Other than that, Fridays it was a really shitty afternoon. I mean, we didn't see anything that was good going on. Typical. We're going into the kids still in school, got tax season, but things starting to get nice. I don't know what you guys did over the weekend. I spent all Sunday with 5 of my landscapers, workers, and we were doing a ton of gardening. And I think so. Somebody sent me a photo. I forgot who it was. Rwanda. I don't know who it was, but somebody sent me a picture of a turkey. She went turkey hunting, and that was pretty cool. So I think everyone enjoyed the weekend. That's a great thing about this job. You can come and make your day's pay. You make whenever you come in, you make your day's pay, and enjoy the weekend. And that's what it's all about. Getting back to reality in life. Because remember, we don't want to sit there and slave over trading all day. So let's go over some of the stocks that are moving this morning, because there are a couple of stocks. I want to start off with this ONVO. So ONVO's it's a very, very inexpensive stock. A nice little push right here. It just basically popped from $1.25 to $1.75. That's a nice little 50-cent move right there. And there are some orders out here on the bid I'm seeing. Somebody showed up for a pretty big order around $1, around 8:30, and that really caused a big spike right there. But not a lot. I mean, listen, I'll show you right here. You can see the orders right there, 145, 140. You got some good orders out there. You listen, its biggest percentage gainer, up about 65%, ONVO. Love it. Put it on there. Next one on the list. Now, this one right here, the volume is great, but it's starting to trend down. LGVN. It's good spread, great volatility, but it's kind of flat. Made this big move 5 o'clock this morning. It seems like you got a pretty big iceberg orders hovering around 255, 260. Yeah, you see it right there. See that order right there? All that resistance levels in pre-market. That's being caused by this guy right here. Well, it's not one guy. It's a bunch of traders. I mean, it's more than one person. So, but we'll put this on the B list. LGVN, third biggest percentage gainer. Another stock that's flat. Stock looks like a buyout. Garbage. Rent. I don't know what's up with this stock. This stock was another stock that I forgot to mention has been doing absolutely fabulous last week. Rent a Runway, man. But what did we learn from Rent last week? It's not a category 1 or 2. This thing got to a 3-4. It got very risky. You could just look at the spread right now in pre-market. So be very, very careful with that one right there. ICCM, very cheap. Looks like it just started making a move around 8:30. Backed off right here. Medical stock. We'll put that on the B list. ICCM. ALLR. We know that one stock pretty well. That thing just never came back. My God, it's still getting crushed. My God. Thing was over $200-300 last year. Let me tell you, you lose on that drug, just like mRNS. I mentioned this earlier this morning. Another one that's getting destroyed, down 73%. Just when you thought you didn't lose any month. Oh, maybe it'll come back tomorrow. It's 890. Oh, maybe it'll come back tomorrow. It's 850. Oh, maybe it'll come back tomorrow. Oh, it's 790. You wake up this morning, and you're like, tomorrow on Monday I'm going to sell it. This is the last time. You wake up, boom, you're at $1.90. This is the problem with pharmaceutical stocks, fellow traders. We talk about it all the time. DJT, this one looks like an IPO. It's starting to come back a little bit. I'll probably stay away from it. New York Stock Exchange, we got a little bit of a push in some of these ETFs. But we know ETFs, you can't really follow the orders too much. I think this is a reverse stock split right here, 2-for-1 split right here, KOLD, and Boyle's obviously not liking it too much. So that one's what took the reverse side. UVIX down. That's about it. Tesla made a come back at all? A little bit. WNM to see if there's anything here at the most volume leaders. All right, very, very small list. Very small list. Dominic is saying the MPW. We'll check that one out. Yeah, that one. But the thing is, it's an ETF, and we know. I mean, we'll get check on it. The problem with ETFs, Dominic, is that sometimes you might not see the big iceberg orders as much as you like. That's the only disadvantage on that, on stocks like that. Listen, it's Monday. It's tax day. Market is up 300 points. Oil didn't get affected too much by it. A couple of brand names are doing pretty well, make a little bit of a comeback. It might be so far as of today. Right now, I see it's nickels and dimes day, so I'm not going to get too cocky. I'm not going to probably get too crazy on trading, but who knows? We always find something might open up the market. And remember, when the market opens up, you'll see how basically all these orders start coming in. All right. So anybody else? Any other stocks out there? Warren says earnings today in YouTube on CX. Was it CXAI? We had so much fun with that stock, Warren, and you know what? We haven't really. We'll see how it works out, but we kind of like shied away from the AI stocks. That was good about last month, but listen, it's earnings. We'll see how it works out. We'll see how. But as of right now, it's not doing crap. It's not doing anything. All right. All right, everybody, let's get ready for the market opened up. Once again, if you are a member of Cybertrade University, see something, you say something, new members in here, just sit back and watch. Make sure you talk to education advisor. If you're watching on social media, you have your phone, scan your QR code. If you want to join our professional trading room, we're here all day. All right, everyone? Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Don't forget to do your taxes and contribute to, I didn't even want to say it. Just do your taxes. All right? So we'll see you here on Monday. See you on Tuesday. Good luck, everybody.